What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be fishing a brand new creek to me, featuring Cooper Dickerson today. He's going to be showing me around. I caught a few nice fish today, so stay tuned and see how many we can get. I had one that's playing it with his mouth. Come on buddy. Get him. See if I can land him. Oh!
Just reel it straight up. Take your drag, reel it straight up. I have the net ready. There you go.
Good one.
That's about the average size in here.
Shoot. Yes, hold on, let me yeah, perfect. Bait. Heck yeah. Finally got one on power bait, dang.
Good job.
Congratulations to me. Wow. Ooh. Come on, buddy. Wow. Probably not. Good size one though. For sure. Beautiful fish, guys. Are they schooling back and forth?
Double up.
Really?
Yep, double up. Double up, buddy. Like to see right there.
Uh-huh.
Heck yeah.
That's pretty funny.
Mine spit it. Got a hook. Heck yeah. Nice little double up.
Yep.
We'll take it. Not out of here. Take the ribs.
Got him. Beautiful fish. Unfortunately, I did forget my pliers today, so he will be okay though. Okay. Beautiful fish. There we go. She went off great. Go, got one. Nice size trout. Excuse me, buddy. Perfect. He hooked. Let her go.